At Alpa Store, we sell lots of different kinds of food. Some are hot foods and some are cold foods. In this story, we are going to look at the importance of temperatures when we are working with food. This we call the hot and cold kitchen story. We measure temperatures with a tool called a thermometer. This shows us how hot or cold something is. This helps us to tell if we are keeping the food safe or not. In this picture, the thermometer is showing us a temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. Temperature is how we measure how hot or cold something is. We measure this in degrees Celsius. The picture shows three areas: the hot food zone, the cold food zone, and the temperature danger zone on the thermometer. In this picture, we are measuring the temperatures of the food in the bain-marie to make sure it is being kept in the hot food zone of temperatures. Food in the bain-marie needs to be kept at above 60 degrees Celsius so that it is safe for those bad germs that can breed below 60 degrees. Remember, below 60 degrees for hot food means danger. For cold food like sandwiches and salads, we need to keep the food in the cold food zone. That means below 5 degrees Celsius. If it goes above 5 degrees, then that means that we are in the temperature danger zone, and those bad germs can grow again, making the food unsafe to eat. So the important things to remember about safe food temperatures are: for the hot food, it is above 60 degrees, and for cold food, it is below 5 degrees. Temperatures is important when cooking things too. We need to cook things for the right amount of time and at right temperature. Most things we cooked at the temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, but something may be cooked at higher or lower temperatures. If you are not sure, always check with the manager or a supervisor. When we keep food in the freezer, it needs to be really cold so that it stays frozen. Keeping food frozen makes it very safe from germs and can keep from a long time safely. Frozen food is kept at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius, which is very cold. Walk inside a freezer and then you will know how cold that is. The reason why food temperature is so important to our safety is that when food is left in the danger zone of between 5 degrees and 60 degrees in when nasty germs like this can grow in it. If people eat food like this, it can make them very sick. Remember to regularly check the temperature of your hot food to see if it's being kept at a safe temperature. If you don't know how to use the thermometer, ask your manager or supervisors to teach you how to use it. Remember to check the freezer's temperature at least twice a day. It should always be below 0 degrees Celsius. If you think something is wrong, then let your manager or supervisor know. To keep hot and cold food at the right temperature, it is very important to keep doors closed. So always remember to close fridge doors and bain-marie doors after you have got what you need out of them. So that's our hot and cold kitchen story. The important thing to remember is that keeping food at right temperatures is important to the safety of people eating our food. Learn how to use the thermometer from your supervisors or manager, and always wear gloves when you are handling food.